Testing. Reach label by average by. Music. Why does it cut off? Maybe I need to this. We'll see how it goes. It's fine. Also I need to check this. Let's check it out. Okay. Huh? Ah, right. Where is it? I forgot. Oh, here it is. Let's test again. Okay. Okay, last time I was here like 2 months ago, maybe 3, I don't know anymore. And the last thing I committed is titled Work in Progress, needs testing, implement saving and loading the squads, as well as refactoring the save system, and it does not work at all. And I don't remember why, and I don't remember what exactly did I change. So I'm starting with this. I'm starting with the bug of a thing I wrote a long time ago, basically. Let's see. What exactly did I change? Okay. Right. This is the main code for the scene, and I removed loading the map through this method as well as saving it. Or did I? Yeah, no. I just changed it. Okay. Save 2. It is now called save 2. Takes map data. and saves into that map data. Okay. Load map works the same way. Okay. Save file. Okay, makes sense. And now what is this? Okay, it's something Godot manages itself. Right, I had 2 save files now. Terrain and squads. And back is backups. Oh, load terrain, it is now called. And there's also load squads, but I don't see where this is called. Nowhere. Nowhere. Uh-huh. Okay. So, yes, this is work in progress. Stop. Um. Okay. Right now, the main problem is it can't read this line. Something is wrong with it. Like, I probably should use all. Kind of works, but kind of doesn't, because if I run it, output, parser, that's old stuff. Let's clear it. Run again. Okay, invalid type in function load map in the base node. Cannot convert argument 1 from packed byte array to object. Okay, so we have problems with object types. I love dynamic languages. Who needs static initialization, right? No one. Okay. Okay. Line 14. Find child map as map. Load map. Okay, so the problem is that this is not a map, right? Is this the problem? Let's try. What? Why? How do I debug this? Great. In function load map. Right, the problem is that map is not actually a map. Or what? Why doesn't it... Hmm... I forgot so many things. Hmm... Oh, right. I also forgot to save it. But that doesn't change the fact that I can't add it. Okay. Let's see. Go add full script. Cannot post dance with here because Reddit won't let me. Thanks, Reddit. Edit it. What? If you want VS Code, the script breakpoints, you need. Let's just do the items. What? Oh, that's Visual Studio. Okay, let's follow the easiest path. Let's just open this. And make a function. Ready? Hmm. Oh, I forgot so much. Damn. How do I call it? I don't know. Hmm. Okay. Let's just debug it with our own eyes. Yes. Invalid type of in function load map. Argument 1 should be packed array. No. It should be object, but it is a packed array. Okay, map data is a packed array. Packed byte array. Why? Wait, what? Load terrain returns map data. Goes from here. And returns file content. File content is file access function call. Which is read string, which is get file as a string. So this should be a string, right? No. Read bytes. It's read bytes. Yes, this is a packed byte array. So I need to unpack it somehow. Unpack it as a map. As a wait. As a save file. Okay, that makes sense now. Okay, I see what's going on. Save file. How do I create objects in the Godot? Damn. I think like this. A file, terrain data is map data, and also I need squads data. Load squads. It's a file, squads data. What's data? And we return it here. A file. And this should work, probably. Cannot run the script because it doesn't extend an editor script. Wait, what? Oh. Cannot save the map, wrong scene. Right. Here. No? Invalid call function deserialized in base node. Attempt to call a method on a placeholder instance. Okay, map route 26. Here. Code manager deserialize. I do have it. Code manager deserialize. Is it because it's not loaded in editor time? Or how should it be called? I don't know. No, I managed to access the map, so it should be available. Check if the script is in tool mode. Wait. Ah, map route is a tool. Okay. And so I need to make this one a tool too. Okay. What now? Same error. Why? This is a tool. Code manager is also a tool. And this one is not. What's the difference? Code manager is probably a different scene. Yes, it is. But now it's blue. But not really. I see. Okay, let's delete it. And add again. Code manager. It is blue. It is blue here. What's the problem? What's the problem? Okay, that's something new. Code manager. Code manager 46. This one is also tool analog utils. So Code manager 46. Why are you doing this? Already changed it. Code manager 46. Past JSON. It is a tool. And it is saved. It should work. Okay. Because I didn't save it. Right? No, not. It's not. Invalid call. Function parse JSON. Attempt to call a method on a placeholder instance. JSON utils is a placeholder instance. But here's the tool. How do I refresh this? Project settings, globals. Let's delete it and add it again. Source, utils, JSON utils, add, close, save, there. It crashed. Okay, I see. Okay. Of course. Okay, it will crash every time. Okay. What was the error? I don't know what was the error. I guess now we need to run it, copy paste. Come on, it doesn't copy. Does it save some logs? I don't know, somewhere. I guess I just need to catch it on the stream and hit pause. Okay. Variant utility non-existent. JSON utils 18. JSON utils 18. Invalid call. Non-existent function has. In base nil. Okay, so I need to make this code completely safe to run in order for the editor to not crash. Okay. Okay. So it's JSON data. Data is new. But JSON itself is not. Okay. If JSON data. What? Control C. Okay. Is not new. Something like that. I think it works like this. I'm not sure. The main reason for this problem is that the file probably does not exist. Right? It should be here. Okay, it's here. Okay, the file does exist, but it's empty, probably. Yes, it is empty. Okay. Yeah, we should check for that. Although, I don't know. Okay, let's try it. Node map. Still crashes. Property not found in JSON data squad map. Trying to assign value to type new, to variable, or type dictionary. It is squad manager 48. Squad manager 48? Why here? JSON tunes. Get property from this JSON. But it's empty. So I see. The problem is here. I have the quit, so it quits from the editor. This code is supposed to be ran at the runtime, not here. So I need some way to determine if I'm in tool mode. Let's see. Gotta check if tool mode. OS has feature editor. In version 4 you can use engine is editor hint. Check if tool is running in the Godot editor. Oh, right. God doesn't want this pair of parentheses. If not, engine is a little hint. You trick with like this. And probably we don't need... No, we need this. We should probably make this an utility function as well. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't crash anymore. But we still have the errors. Squad Manager 48. Squad Manager 48. Hmm. Okay, if not this on, return. Log and return. Log utils log this on is no exiting skipping deserialization. Log level. Error. Like that. Let's see. Code Manager 52. Code Manager 52. Why? It did return nil, right? Or null. Why is it inconsistent in the naming? Why is it nil here, but null here? What? Why? Wait, I don't get this error. This one. So, what? Okay, I get this one. That's JSON, right? Okay. Okay. JSON. It's then just a blank JSON. Okay. I probably should. Okay. No. Yeah, like that. Return. No. But that's probably an error because I did oh no, not this one. JSON is null, skipping deserialization. Error passing to some 43. Okay, this right now is fine because it's the squad. We're not. We don't care about the squad for now. The first thing we need is saving and loading of the map, of the terrain itself. So here I added the river. Now let's load. Okay. Terrain now works. Okay. That one strange. It's fine. Okay. Fix serialization errors. Now let's reload from disk. Okay. So I called the save map before it, and looks like it does not save it properly. Right? Save? Well, call the execution function query free in save file. Okay, save map 34. Save file query free. Okay, yeah, it's valid. Terrain data query free. What's data is just a string. Wait, what? Why do I free it? Why do I need to free it? And why can't I query free it if it's Okay, query free. You go up. Because it's not query free, it's queue free. why was it spelled wrong? What? Okay, this script hangs a bit. Error. What is this? Why is there a An empty error. What? Okay, delete old backup. Deleted old backup file. Create new backup. Let's run file backup. No, we don't get this error. Question marks are needed filling the spots. No, the error that says why didn't this log? Okay, it's not an error, not an actual error. But no, right now it looks like an actual error because there's nothing else. There should be this line as well as this one. So, but it outputs this line. We push error, right? Okay, let's see what happens if I delete all the save files and run it. It saved it. It did save it. Okay, I cannot read it. But there's something else. Not something else. Something is there. So it should be fine. Saving the map, no backup file found. Let's see. Run. Saving the map. There is this one. Save backup. Deleted old backup file. Although it does not exist at all. What? This doesn't make sense. The file did not exist. Whatever. What's your file found to backup? What? Create new backup. No old backup file. What happens here? This game imagine. That's very strange. So it came and came to this branch, and it says it deleted it. Uh, and then save file data. Wait, why is it? There's only one line like this. Did it reload the file? Am I stupid or what? Maybe I just was reading the old log. I don't know. Okay, I was just reading the old log. What the fuck? Not file found to backup. Uh, saving the map. No backup file found. No backup file found. No terrain file found to backup. Okay. No terrain file found to backup. Why is it? Where is it? Yo, create new backup. Why do I log it another time? First of all, it's not terrain file. It can be also a squads file. Just no file found to backup. But it's called only once. Why isn't it called another time? Or is it called another time? And I'm just stupid again. Log utils. Utils once. No, it's called only once. Only once. Wait. What's the reason? Let's move it up here. Clear this and run. Okay, I'm saving backup file for terrain, but not for the squads. Why? It's right here. Wait. Once again. Okay, right. What if I do it like this? Run? Not this one. Okay. It is called only once. No matter what. Why? No, wait. What if I put it like this? Save, run. Yeah, it only logs squads. Also, it's incorrect because I had the file. Let's try again. Okay. 2 times now. And just in case another time. What? Why? Backup file for user. No file found to backup. Here, run. Not this one. What is happening here? Drain file, squads file. Oh! Okay. Yeah, it only saves the first one and skips the other one. Or at least it doesn't log it. Why? Wait, it does save it. Oh, no, it's this one. No file found to backup and return. It is some kind of inline shit, I don't know. Let's see what happens when there is a file to backup. There are both files to backup. Also, does calling this one affect something? Okay, it saved both backups, but logged only one of them. Why is that? Also, it doesn't look this one as well again. So the last thing it logs is this one. And this one. What if it's not an error? What if it's not logged at all? Let's do it backups. Run. Okay. So. Huh? Okay, the problem is this one. For some reason, it stops logging after push error? I don't know. Go to push error stops print. I don't know. Go to print. Doesn't work after push error. So maybe we can read something here. Pushes an error message to Go's built-in debugger and to the OS terminal. This function does not pause the project execution. To print an error message and pause project execution in debug builds, use assert instead. No, it doesn't. It should not break anything. I go to the editor and press play. I switch to the game tab and anything works, but when I go back to the editor tab, the output is empty, despite making it run every frame, and that doesn't work either. The bug console gets cleared every time you close the game and gives the message debugging stops. It's not related. One procrastination is to use print error your message, but that doesn't seem to be available for real warnings. I think those lines are only there for debug builds. Your release build shows. As far as printed. A red error message popped up. Output window when it crashed, but I could not see it because the game window was above it, so it was covered. Because it got and now it does not print anything. The output, print whatever, does not matter. You can put it everywhere, it does not work. Oh. Yeah, that's the last thing it writes, and after that it just breaks. Wait, what? What is happening right now? Delete backups. Save. Just in case. Run. There are 16 of them. But... What? Yeah. Okay. It saved it. Everything's fine. Everything is fine. Now let's just mess with it a little bit, like that. Save. Load map. Output. It works. It works. Okay. Okay, yes. This we don't need to save. This these ones are excessive. Right. Okay, no changes here. View 3. Saving backup file 4. Okay, this we can keep. And that's all. Fix serialization errors. Okay. Reload from disk. It also should stop complaining about the plots, right? Yeah. File data loaded successfully. No. Where is it? Get file data. Okay. Load terrain, load squads. What's data? Get file as a string. What's data? It is returned here. The file spots data. Okay. And load map. Come on. Load map. Deserialize squads data. JSON string. This one needs a lot of logs, I think. No, that's enough. This should be enough for now. Okay, squad ID, squad map keys. Let's see. Node. History inspector. Oh. I need to expose the fields, I think, for the squad. Squad manager. Squad map. How is it? Expert squad map. Roll it from disk. Squad map. Size 0. Okay. Makes sense. Let's create a new key. It's a string, I believe. String. Squad map. Get ID. ID is an int. Okay. So it's an int. Int value is a squad. Is a squad, I guess. I Okay, I'm back. Let's see. It does not scroll. It's also okay. Maybe it's an object then. Not really helpful. Maybe it's not an object. Maybe it's a node or something. Is there an option for a node? Node path? What exactly do I save there? Squad. Squad is a class. So it's an object. It should be an object. I'm not stupid. Maybe I am. Hmm. Okay, it's probably somewhere here. And search by the letter just doesn't work because it wants the first letter. And all of the first letters here are N. So it does not work. This menu sucks. Hmm. No, it's not here. I don't think it's Notepad. No, it's not a Notepad. It should be an object. It should be. Load? Code manager. Okay, maybe. Was there an option for a script? The script. That's strange, but okay. Source. I don't know. Path to this resource. If it has saved to disk, the value will be its file path. I don't think it's the right thing. It doesn't look like it. Google? Go to dictionary, add value, custom class. Okay then, let's make a hack. Let's it's empty. One manager. Export var squad editor. What? Does it work? Assign to squad. Let's call it squad edit or squad editor or something, I don't know. Squad editor. The squad, that's actually an editor. Or rather, it's an editor that's actually a squad. Sport. Sport var. Sorry. Okay. Now, are there any other fields? No. Just an ID. Okay. Now then, here we do not need this, I think. We don't need the squad editor here. Instead, disk, right? Instead, let's create a new tool, call it add squad. Okay. This squad. It's run, right? Run, right. Instance editor script. Okay. Here we want to find the squad editor. Not saving the map. Saving the squad. The squad map. Cannot run the scene. Yeah. Now, the path is map, squad manager, squad editor. Var squad editor. Find child map. Find child squad manager. Find child squad editor. Not now. No, it is now. It's a squad. It's a squad. Now, var actually no. Var Or did it break again? No. Thanks. Now we just do squad manager. Actually, no, that's right. Squad manager. What the dictionary is called? Squad map. No. Add squad. Just add squad. Squad editor. Do we have a clone? I think I implemented a clone, but not here. Okay. I need to copy it because because if I don't copy it, then all of the instances will be the same. Not copying script variables properly is this issue. Okay, I need to implement it myself. And for new ET new squad. Okay. And here I call the clone. This should work. Manager is what? Let's see. Later. Okay. Squad manager right now is empty. Now we run that squad. Output. Okay. Invalid call function clone on base node squad attempt to call a method on a placeholder instance because squad is not at all. Tool. Clear. Run again. And run the script because it's what? Oh, right. Invalid call clone in base what? Why? The script is in tool mode. I guess I need to restart it. Start. Later. Okay. Mode. Run. Think. Nice. Wait, why is it empty? Why is it empty? Because it's not connected to anything. I don't know. Hi. Why is it empty? It's probably not empty if I run it. Remote. NVIDIA, fuck off. App manager. Okay, it does have an object. Okay. It should be working fine. Should. But I also probably need to save it after it. It does not work like that. Okay. What can we do right now? I probably should save it. Right? Let's see how the load map works right now. Run. So successfully. And now no, it's still not empty. Wait. It's not print, it's log details. Log. Yes. But it does not change the squad manager. So either I forgot to actually update it, or I don't know. Let's add another log. Log add edit with ID. Sure. Save. Load map. Run. It's not called. Okay, let's see. Yep. Node client child. Is it mapped squad manager? Okay. Wait. It should be here. Yeah. But manager deserialize. Ah, okay. Yeah, sure. Not like this, not like this. More like... no, wait. It does call that squad. Yeah. What's the problem now? Plug utils. Plug. Visualizing squad manager data. Squad map. JSON utils get property squad map. Does it have this property? Squad map. It's empty. Aha. Right. It should be empty. What I don't have here is clear. Do I have a clear function? I don't. Oh wait, I can just let's code map. That's bad naming, I think. Squad map JSON at least. Squad map clear. Okay. What? Clear this. Load map. And now it's empty. Nice. Now let's run this one. Now it does have one. Now let's run the save map. Saved. Let's see. Let's delete this one. Not like this. How do I clear it? Remove item. Okay. Right now dictionary is empty. Load map. It's still empty. What is this? What is this? Why are you serializing it like this? That's not what we need. What? Realize dictionary. Realize JSON. Okay, no, not here. Problem is not here. Problem is somewhere else. Code map duplicate. Realize JSON. Data dictionary. Not stringify. Stringify works terribly. But is there a way to there's a variant part, the JSON text, and returns the result. Useful for serializing data. Store sends over the network. JSON specification does not define integer or float types, but only a number type, therefore converting variant to JSON. Okay. Okay. it's easier to read JSON utils. Easier to read it here. Okay, fine. Mm. 25 floats, the unreliable digits are stringified in addition. Okay. Indent parameter controls if and how something is indented. Its contents will be used. Okay. Let's note about it. So the solution is not to use stringify. If it's a string map, then it's okay. If it's not, then it's no. There are two calls here. In serialize, in what? Squad, deserialize, some utils, serialize. What did I write? Why did I write it? What is it? Visualizing squad management data, passing to on. Squad map JSON. The squad map here. This one, okay. It's a dictionary, okay. We go through it and squad map JSON data should be a dictionary. We expect it to be a dictionary. Okay, I see. That's dictionary. Data. Like that. That's all we need. We don't need to serialize it back. Okay, but that's not the main problem. Not the main. The main problem is serialization. We should not use this one. Here it's fine. By the way, we need to use this one. Yeah. Let's let's use a different approach. If map e is a string, pilot, hello. Let's see. Assigns param value to the given param property. If the property does not exist or the given param value's type does not match. If the property does not exist, nothing happens. What do you mean? Okay, not set then. Something like add, not add. Data e like that contains the past JSON data in variant form. I don't know if it's alright. Int is too strong. Oh, let's what was it called? Some stringify. Come on. Some string. Probably like that. I feel like I am doing something stupid here. See. Map. The maps we are getting here is and squad values. So no string. Wait. I'm here. Okay, I'm here. Map E that's the list of keys in the dictionary. It should be fine, even if the key is integer. I think it will save it as a string. Should. So if map key is squad, then the count is serialized. Let's make it fuck you, Copilot. Var value is if value is squad, then value serialize. Okay, now it recognizes it. Else stringify the value. This should be fine. Disk. It's the serialization, right? Okay, we delete all of them, all the same files, and let's see. Dictionary is empty. So we first run the squad. It did not work, or did it? Oh, it did work. Okay. Now we call the save map, run, and wallet assignment property. Okay, squad map with value of type string on a base object of type nil. JSON utils 11. JSON utils 11. Okay, stringify didn't work. Squad map. What? Invalid assignment of property or key squad map with value of type string. What? Assignment of key squad map. Okay. With value of type string on a base object of type nil. Okay, the type should be string, but the object is nil. This is the problem? Okay, it didn't save anything. So the value is null. Else if value. Let's. Okay, L if leaf value. Like that. This. Type map, run. Valid assignment of key squad map with value of type string on a base object of type null. The same error. This same. What is nil here? JSON exists. Data does not exist, I think. But that's. I should probably build the JSON some other way. Got a JSON and property. Let's see. JSON. Let's see. Log details. Log data. Let's try this. Wrong one. Map. Valid type, a function log. What? X. Invalid type of function log cannot convert. Okay, from nil to string. Okay, data is nil. Can I initialize it? Data. What is it even? Variant. Default null. Set data. Deposit JSON data in variant form. That's very concrete. Thanks. What exactly should it be? Is it a string? Is it a dictionary? It's probably a dictionary, right? You parse. Alternatively, you can put strings using string method. Parse string I. Okay, I think that data is probably a dictionary. Is it created like that? I'm not sure. Let's see. Bullet type. Not convert argument 1 from dictionary to string. It's fine. But it's still empty. That's not fine. Let's delete this log. Delete from disk. All of this. Run. Okay. Squad. Even worse. Even worse. What is this? What is this? It's not a string. What? Okay, maybe we need another approach. Maybe we need to first make a dictionary with only strings. Right. Look, we create a output map. And wait, what is right? It's what we get into. Okay, and returning some stringify output map. Something like this. It's okay. Okay idea if you want to. Okay, clear. Delete all the save files. Save map. Run. Squad state. We got back to what we had before. Realization seemed to not working like intended. In the squad specifically. Like, here. Wait. TLS. Squad map duplicate. We probably should not duplicate it. We probably should just give it as is. Just in case. Map keys. If value is squad, then value serialize. And here we have serialized JSON data. Data being a dictionary with serialized JSON. Do I make it this more complicated? I don't know. It should work as intended. Data is just a dictionary with ID. It's not an ID. The ID should be here. Okay, so the object itself is not a dictionary. it gets a dictionary of. Okay, let's just simplify it a bit. Let's call JSON stringify here, because it's just a dictionary with string values. Not exactly string, but not an object. Not an object. Okay. So here, if value is squad, and the value is a squad, although it's called a node here. No, this is a squad. And that squad. It returns a squad. Okay, it should be a squad. It shouldn't be just a node. Why is that? First of all, because we were trying to make a string here instead of. Also, why is there? Because it's a string. Yeah, that's a problem. That's a problem. Let's start from the beginning. If map during what file, save file data, write function, write string, file store string, map node, save file, web manager serialize. Serialize JSON. Okay, got a dictionary JSON. Maybe I'm over-engineering this. And get a JSON string with and parse it. Has some variables you can see here. You can get the JSON with count. The object or array. Let's see. JSON. JSON print. No, there's no print. It's probably dated. What if I just constringify here. It should at least not save it as a key and a string. It should save it as a key and a value. At least like a dictionary and an ID. Delete the saves. Save map. Clear the output. Okay. Okay, that's better. In a sense that it's a proper JSON object. Now the next problem is that we save it like this. If we get back to JSON, the problem here is that here's the map, here's the output map, and the output map should just effectively stringify except for the particular types. So we just need to copy values. If value, okay, like that, just this, and that's all. This should be all. But it will not be because this string doesn't work for us. But anyway, let's test it. So it saves. Clear this. Save map. Run. Oops. Okay. It returned us the same result as before, and that's fine. That's okay. The next problem is realization here. This should not return us a string. This should return us a dictionary. And this way, it should work as expected. It's down usage. Okay, nice. Load, delete, run. Why? That's strange. That's really strange. JSON utils. The value here is the dictionary. The dictionary. But here it's a node. That's also strange. It shouldn't be a node, it should be a dictionary. And dictionaries are not nodes. Then I guess we do not reach this branch. Let's see. Log utils. Log realizing squad. Here log utils realizing value with key. Okay. Load. Delete saves. Run. Oh, wait, we needed to... Let's clear it and try again. Run. Saving the map, no backup file found, saving backup file. Okay. Serializing value with key squad map. Serializing value. Serializes a value. Value. Squad map. Right. Right. Where was it again? Here. Not here. Here. Squad manager serialize. It's a map with just a map. Okay, we need to add a branch if value is dictionary. Output map serialize JSON value like this. This. Okay. Delete saves. Clear the output. Map. Run. So, serializing dictionary with key squad map. Serializing squad with ID. Okay. That's promising. Shit. It saved it as a string. That's not right. That's not right. Because serialize JSON returns a string. Okay. That's fair. That's fair. Let's say let's make another function. Let's call it to serialize the map dictionary and the contents of it is all of this, and it returns the output map. And here we call it self, and here we no, that's fine. Our output map serializable map like this. This should work. There this. Save map. Out. Nice. Finally. Let's see, what did we do here? First of all, we need to commit these two files. Create a utility. Create a tool to add EU squads to the map. Now here we fixed the serialization. Here we just added. Let's commit this one as well separately. Fix logging issue. It's incorrect logging. Let's save this. This we should not save for now at least. Here we created a clone function to serialize. Now expects a dictionary. This code data is a dictionary. Okay. Using squad manager data. Here. What did we add here? Code edit. Okay, let's commit it as X serialization errors. Except for this one. Okay, commit. Now, it's useless to do, but can't do it right now. Okay, let's see. Here we have squad. Let's save it. We saved it. Now let's clear it. Move item. Okay. Let's run it. Let's see. Remote. Code manager. NVIDIA, please. NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Later. Okay, squad map is empty. Okay, nice. It's empty. Now we run the load map. And it's not empty anymore. We can run it and look at the remote. Get in the remote. Yes, okay. Okay, it works. Video overlay disable. Okay. We can amend, I think. It's fine. Oh, okay. We finished with squad serialization. Can use all of these tabs. Now then, what's next? Add squads via map. We have this. We also should probably merge add squad and save map so that we save all squads we are adding, but I think it's fine as is. The other question I have is it possible to add a button for tools? Go to editor, tools, add a button to run a script. Is it possible? Script button. Exporting to Bone is going to be. Everything else currently requires another plugin, and those are a pain to hook up. It's possible to add custom controls to the inspector with a plugin, a red quick and dirty plugin which will add one or more buttons to the top of the inspector. Create a new plugin and project setup tab, and add this in the plugin. Enter 3, exit 3. Okay, that looks like some more pain in there. And work around with a bill. I have run into this a couple of times where I'm making a tool script that generates something, and I always have parameters to seed my generator. I have also had it come up with where I want to set my parameters without it updating. Then have a button appear on the rate. And maybe to find any given parameter. There are other examples of where it could be useful too. This is just one. Generally find my workaround being either to create a dummy variable to act as a button, or force a specific order, the modifications, and the last one is the trigger. I think I need some more knowledge about this too. The upcoming for release we'll have export tool button for this. Nice. You can create a debug menu. Okay, export tool button. Let's see. Squad editor, I think. Add squad. Just add squad. Rollable. Okay, now I need a way to call the add squad from here. Let's see. It's an editor script, and it's not a class. We can probably add it as global tools use add squad. Add. Failed to create an afterload script, does not inherit from node. Condition of okay. That's not the right way. Okay. Go to all script from the script. Entity. All scripts run inside the editor and let you access the Steam tree. This is a powerful feature which also caveats, as the editor does not include protections for potential use of tool scripts, especially with free, it can cause crashes if you free a node while the editor runs logic involving it. Turn a script into a tool, add the tool annotation at the top of your code. To check if you are currently in the editor, use Nginx editor hint. Okay. If you want to execute code only in game, negate the OK. Those of code that do not have editor have either of the two can run the code. Any other GD scripts that your tool script uses must also be a tool. Okay, editor scripts are like one-off scripts that cannot be connected to anything, I understand. Although, why would I inherit from it instead of a node? Base script that can be used to add extension functions to the editor. Scripts extending this class and implementing its run method can be executed from the script editor file run menu option while the editor is running. This is useful for adding custom in-editor functionality to Godot. For more complex additions, consider using editor plugins instead. Writing the following script prints hello from the Godot editor. Okay. Okay, I should probably just opt for the... where was it? Editor plugin. Plugins are used by the editor to extend functionality. The most common types of plugins are those which edit a given node resource type, import plugins and export plugins. They also editor script to add functions to the editor. Some names in this class contain left or right. AG docs left UK. These APIs assume left to right layout and would be backwards when using right to left layout. These names are kept for compatibility reasons. Okay. So there's also start and end, probably. Main screen changes, project state changed. Operations. And description. Apply changes. This method is called when the editor is about to save the project, switch to another tab, etc. It asks the plugin to apply any pending states changes to ensure consistency. This method is called editor is on the project. Let's see here. This may be an old option. It is stable. No quick start tutorials here. Just documentation. Okay. Mm. It's probably not it as well. You should probably just copy paste this. Like this. Although it definitely looks really strange. It has the same name as previously declared variable. Yes, that's by design. What? It's not like. Then how should I. Action? Action, okay. Squad. Action. Yes? Ah, that's squad. Get scene not found in base of. Because it's. Okay. Yeah, that's why. Um, that's a problem. Yeah. I need to run it from editor script. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. We can. We can work with this. Not a big problem. This for now. No changes. Okay. I need a little break. Okay, I'm back. Okay. What's next? Add squads via map. We did it. Player controlled squad. System. Tile prices. Okay, player controlled squad. I wrote this instruction like a month, 3 months ago actually. And I don't remember what I was intending to do with just this. Player controlled squad right away before the input system. That's a strange order. Hmm. Okay, first of all, I need to expand the squad. At least we need name. Okay, yeah, sure. We need first of all coordinates, position, vector 3. Okay, sure, vector 3. Hmm. Will it work like this? That one is doubtful. We'll see. Let's also add a sprite. Sprite name. Or rather, sprite path? No, sprite name. Sprite name is enough. Name. Sprite name. Sprite name. Nice. Okay. Let's see what will happen if we try to delete this item and let's add this one. Run root manager. Hey, what? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, works. Now, up it. Save the map. That is fine. Let's see what do we have in the save file now. Oops. Position. Okay, as a string. Okay, what will happen if I try to load it? Let's clear this item. Save. There's nothing here right now. And we start loading. Going to assign value of type string to variable of type vector3. Yeah. It did not work. We need... Wait! Serialize. It recognized that it was vector3, right? No, it did not. It did not. Mm, mm, or str, uh, three, str split, okay, else log invalid vector, if not engine, okay. The pilot finally doing something useful. Yes. Wrong. Not assign string to vector 3. Oh, wrong one. Sorry. Here. Something else. Initialize vector 3. Like that. Load. Clear. Map. Run. Okay, let's see. Oh, right. But here. Okay. Wait. Why isn't... Oh, no. It's fine. Note. Editor. The manager. 023. Okay, it's not fine. Did Copilot mess up? I swear if... Wait. 023. Right. So the indexing is correct. Indexing is correct. The problem is that there's also hmm, um, some details. It's a string. Come on, it's a string. There should be a substring. Okay. From 1 to minus 1 because exclusive. No, minus 1 is just the end, so minus 2. Does it work this way here? I don't know. Let's log components 0. And also components 2. Map. Valid access to property key sub on a base object of string. What? 7. Utils. Okay, it's not Uh, where is it? It didn't save. Function 9. Invalid access to the base object of type. Okay. Okay, let's add another one. Log details. Log vectors star. Map details. Errors again. But okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes. There's also a danger with regional display. I think no, it should not affect it on JSON. JSON should not use comma instead of the. Should be fine. Why is the value is empty? Okay, let's remove substring for now. Let's just split. Save. Clear. Map. Run. Okay. Yeah, they are saved with the parentheses. So if I substring this, that's okay. Exclusive? Why is it exclusive? Why the start is exclusive? Who wrote this library? What? Oh no. I started with 1. Okay. Okay. Fine, thanks. -1 returns the rest of the string starting from the given position. Okay. So -2 is just invalid. It's not like Python. Although I think Python is also not like this. But whatever. -2. Okay. If I instead use -2, it's an error. Makes sense. Maybe I should just make a custom serialized vector tree and don't bother with it. ADF. Don't be like this, please. Just in case some funky conversions. Let's make it okay. Vector x, vector y, without misses. This. And here we just need to split by the comma. What? Okay. Fine. And then here we should use JSON utils. Serialize vector 3 position. Load here. Delete all the saves. Let's see. Right now it's not empty. Let's save it. Saved successfully. Let's see inside. Okay. Good. Now let's clear it and also save it. Move item, save. Okay, squad map is empty. Squad map is empty. Here, run. Let's see. Okay. Squad map now is still empty. Why? We don't need this. No, it's not empty. Why is it empty here? I don't know. Let's just run it in remote. Manager, dictionary. It's just zeros. Why? Did I? That's strange. Okay, let's clear everything we have. Let's clear this. Wait. It's zeros here as well. So it's a serialization problem. We'll see. Remove item. Empty here. Okay. Let's commit it as this. Plus vector 3. Not this for now. This. Wait, what? Go from the. No. Delete this. Save. Okay. Squad map is empty. Squad map is empty. And this also should be empty. Reload from disk. Everything empty here. Okay. Squad. Add new fields. The word object. Yeah, I need to commit this because here serialization, deserialization. Okay. No. This one empty. If I'm using remote, as it's so. The dictionary is empty. Editor is empty. Okay, nice. I delete all the saves. Now, let's say here 2, 5, 8. ID is like this. I'm adding the squad. Added. I'm saving the map. Saved. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Station 258. Okay. Looks fine. Now, save it. Okay. And roll back. Roll back so that here, when we save again, it's empty. Nice. Just in case, let's run it. Let's see. Remote. Squad manager. Dictionary size 0. Here, everything is 0. Okay. Now, let's load the map. And let's see. Dictionary size 1. And if we look here, there's something here. ID looks correct. Let's run it and see remote manager object 258. Nice. It works. It works. Stop it. Let's save this. By the way, why squad editor is empty? No. Whatever. Let's save it. Okay, now we have more fields here that will help us differentiate between different squads. First of all, what? No, let me think. First of all, I think we need to work on displaying the squads on the field. Have a proper feedback when we actually work with them. But looks like I should go sleep already. Yeah, I think I'll continue tomorrow. Just so that I don't forget what I actually need to do now. Let's update the goals. Hmm, display what's the field uh, input system control squad no prices. Yeah, looks right. Well, that's all, folks. And stop.